In this video, let us try to solve few more problems related to trigonometric functions. So here we have been given the information that cos theta is 21 by 29. We have to find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Let us put this in a diagram. Let's draw a right angle triangle. So this is 90 degrees. Let's assume this is theta. So cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So this is 21 and this is 29. Now we have to find what is the value of opposite here so that we can actually arrive at sin theta. So sin theta by definition is opposite by hypotenuse. So here opposite is, let's apply the Pythagoras Theorem. It is square root of 29 square minus 21 square divided by hypotenuse is 29. So what's the value here? So 29 square is 841. Square root of 841 minus 21 square is 441 divided by 29. So this will be square root of 400 by 29. So sin theta is 20 by 29. So now we know the value of sin theta, and cos theta is already given in the question. Now we have to find cos square theta plus sin square theta. So what would this be? 21 by 29 the whole square plus 20 by 29 the whole square. So this will be, the denominator would be 841, numerator would be 441 plus 400, which is 841 divided by 841, which is equal to 1. So if you notice here, we arrived at cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. This is always true. So this is one of the identities which we will learn in future videos. But for now, keep this in mind that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Thank you. And if you like these videos, please subscribe and share it with your fellow students. Thank you. Now let's try to address the next problem. So here the information given is that tan A is equal to 1. We have to find the value of 2 times sin A cos A. So let's put this in a diagram for better understanding. So in a right angle triangle, we have tan A. So let's assume this is the right angle here, and this is A, this is B, this is C. So tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A. So which is nothing but, in this diagram, BC by AB, which is opposite by adjacent. So that's the definition of tan. Now if tan A should be equal to 1, that means sin A and cos A are equal, or in other way we can say that BC is equal to AB. So this is necessary for tan A to be equal to 1. So if we apply the Pythagoras theorem here, we would get AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. But we know BC and AB are equal, so we will have 2 times square root of, let me fix this, sorry for that. So this is AB times square root of 2. So that is the value of AC. Now, what is the value of sin A? Sin A is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, so what is opposite? Opposite is BC, which is nothing but AB again. AB by square root of 2, AB cancels, so sin A is 1 by square root of 2. Now what is cos A. It is adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side here? AB. So AB divided by AB by square root of 2, because hypotenuse is AC and we found the value of AC to be AB square root of 2. So AB cancels out again and this will be 1 by square root of 2. So what we understand here is sine A and cos A both are equal, which is 1 by square root of 2. Now the question is to find 2 times sine A cos A. So we just have to multiply this. 2 times sine A cos A is 2 times 1 by square root of 2, 1 times square root of 2, and this cancels, so the value is equal to 1. So this is one thing we can notice here, that whenever tan A is equal to 1, sine A and cos A are equal, which is 1 by square root of 2. We will understand further in which angle, like what is the degree that tan A is equal to 1. We will understand that in future videos. So please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Let's try to address the next problem. So in the right angle triangle shown here, we have given two information, which is OP is 7 and OQ is 1 plus PQ. So basically it is the 1 plus PQ, which is the same side, one of the sides of the triangle. So that's the length of the hypotenuse. Now the ask here is, in this right angle triangle, we have to find the value of sine Q and cos Q. So whenever it is a right angle triangle, the most important equation or the theorem that we can apply is Pythagoras Theorem. So what does it say? It's hypotenuse square, which is OQ square, is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Now OQ is nothing but 1 plus PQ the whole square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Now let's apply A plus B the whole square formula here. A square plus B square plus 2AB, which is nothing but 2PQ, if you consider B to be PQ, which is equal to OP square plus PQ square. So we can cancel out PQ square. Now we will have 1 plus 2PQ is equal to OP square. But we know the value of OP to be equal to 7. So this will be 1 plus 2 times PQ is equal to 7 square. Now this will be 2PQ is equal to 7 square is 49. 49 minus 1 is 48. So PQ would be equal to 24. Now we know the value of PQ, which is this one. So now it is very easy to write down what the value of OQ is. It is just 25, because it is. Now we know the three sides of the triangle. They are 24, 25 and 7. Now important thing to notice here is the question is to find sine Q and cos Q. So we are going to stand here, and when we stand here, the opposite side here is OP. So this will be your opposite side. This is your hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right angle side, and this will be your adjacent side, which is PQ. So that is one important thing to notice here. There is a change in where we are standing here. So sine Q now will be opposite by hypotenuse, which is 7 by 25, and cos Q is adjacent by hypotenuse, which is 24 by 25. So this is one important thing to notice in this problem, is where we are actually measuring the angle from. If you like the video, please share it with your fellow friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.